Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're tackling a common issue many Firestick users encounter, the remote volume not working. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to fix this problem. First things first, let's check the basics. Ensure that your batteries are properly inserted and have enough power. Sometimes, a simple battery replacement can solve the problem. 1. If the batteries are fine, let's move on to the next step. Check if your Firestick remote is paired correctly with your TV. Head over to Settings on your Firestick menu. 2. Scroll down to Controllers and Bluetooth devices and select Amazon Fire TV remotes. 3. Here, you should see your remote listed. If it's not listed, you'll need to pair it again. Hold down the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds until you see a message confirming the pairing. 4. Once paired, try adjusting the volume to see if the issue is resolved. If not, let's move on to the next step. 5. Head back to the Settings menu and this time, select Equipment Control. 6. Select Manage Equipment and then TV. 7. Here, make sure your TV brand is selected correctly. If it's not, select Change TV and follow the prompts to set up your TV brand. 8. Once set up, try adjusting the volume again. If it's still not working, let's try a manual volume control setup. 9. Go back to the Equipment Control menu and select Volume Control. 10. Choose Set up Audio Receiver and follow the on-screen instructions to manually program your remote to control the volume. 11. Once completed, test the volume control again. If it's working now, great. If not, there might be an issue with your remote or TV. Conclusion. In that case, you may need to contact Amazon customer support for further assistance or consider getting a replacement remote. We hope this guide helped you fix the volume issue on your Firestick remote. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.